Welcome to our countdown of Amazon kitchen gadgets everyone is buying. These innovative tools are transforming kitchens everywhere, making cooking faster, easier, and more enjoyable. Whether you're a seasoned chef or a beginner, there's something for everyone on this list. Let's explore these must-have kitchen essentials that are creating a buzz. Glass jars. If you're tired of cluttered pantries, these 50 ounces glass jars are your solution. They're perfect for storing flour, sugar, pasta, or snacks, keeping everything fresh with their airtight seals. Their sleek design adds a modern touch to your kitchen, while their transparency allows you to see the contents at a glance. These jars are both practical and stylish, ideal for meal preppers and bulk buyers looking to save time and space. Dessert server set. Elevate your dessert presentation with this 3-piece dessert server set. Made from high-quality stainless steel, this set is perfect for serving cakes, pies, and pastries. Its ergonomic design ensures easy handling, while the polished finish adds elegance to your table setup. Whether hosting a party or enjoying a family dinner, this set guarantees to impress. It's lightweight, easy to clean, and a great choice for dessert enthusiasts. Electric Citrus Juicer. Start your mornings with a burst of freshness using the Urolux Premium Electric Citrus Juicer. This powerful gadget is designed for effortless juicing of oranges, lemons, and grapefruits, offering you fresh juice in seconds. The anti-drip spout ensures a mess-free experience, while the quiet motor makes it suitable for early mornings. With its durable stainless steel construction and easy-to-clean parts, this juicer is a health-conscious choice for any kitchen. Dinnerware set. Transform your dining experience with the Vencaso Bonita Blue Dinnerware Set. This 16-piece set features vibrant colors and intricate designs that bring elegance to any meal. Crafted from high-quality ceramic, it's microwave and dishwasher safe, ensuring durability and convenience. Whether for daily use or special occasions, this dinnerware set is perfect for making your meals feel extra special. Chef Caddy Spice Rack. Keep your kitchen organized with the Prep Deck Chef Caddy Spice Rack. This sleek and compact organizer is designed to store spices, oils, and condiments efficiently. With its rotating base, it offers easy access to all your essentials, saving you time while cooking. Its modern design fits seamlessly into any kitchen style, making it both functional and stylish. Say goodbye to cluttered countertops with this innovative solution. Vegetable Chopper. Cut down your prep time with the IPO Vegetable Chopper. This multifunctional tool allows you to chop, dice, and slice vegetables in seconds. Its sharp stainless steel blades ensure precision, while the anti-slip base provides stability during use. Ideal for meal prepping, this chopper makes cooking hassle-free and enjoyable. It's a must-have for anyone who values efficiency in the kitchen. Food Processor. The Bumet Electric Food Processor. Meat Grinder is the ultimate kitchen assistant. From grinding meat to preparing sauces and dips, this processor handles it all. Its powerful motor ensures smooth operation, while the multiple speed settings give you control over the texture. Compact and easy to clean, it's perfect for both small kitchens and big tasks. Pots and Pans. Upgrade your cookware with the Ninja Pots and Pans set. These non-stick pots and pans are designed for even heat distribution, making cooking faster and easier. They're scratch-resistant and durable, with a sleek design that complements any kitchen. Whether frying, boiling, or sautéing, this set delivers professional results every time. Knife Set Experience Precision Cutting with the Hoshinho 3-Pieces Knife Set. This set includes a chef's knife, a utility knife, and a paring knife, all made with high-carbon stainless steel for long-lasting sharpness. The ergonomic handles ensure comfort and control, making meal prep effortless. A must-have for any cooking enthusiast, this knife set takes your skills to the next level. Cookie Cutters Set Bake Like a Pro with the J-State Round Cookie Cutters Set. This versatile set includes multiple sizes, perfect for cookies, biscuits, and even sandwiches. Made from food-grade stainless steel, these cutters are safe, durable, and easy to clean. Great for holidays, parties, or everyday baking, they're an essential tool for creative bakers. Egg Holder. Organize your fridge with the Vacane Clear Egg Holder. This space-saving container stores up to 14 eggs, keeping them fresh and protected. The stackable design maximizes fridge space, while the transparent material allows you to see the contents easily. Practical, sturdy, and stylish, it's perfect for modern kitchens. Manual Food Chopper. Simplify your chopping needs with the Briefton's Express Manual Food Chopper. This compact hand-powered chopper is perfect for dicing vegetables, fruits, or nuts. Its durable blades make chopping quick and efficient, while its lightweight design makes it portable and easy to store. A versatile tool for quick meal prep. Food Dehydrator. Preserve fruits, vegetables, and meats with the Septri 6 Trays Food Dehydrator. This gadget features adjustable temperature settings for perfect dehydration. Whether making snacks, herbs, or jerky, it's reliable and easy to use. Its spacious design and efficient airflow ensure even drying every time. Cold Brew Coffee Maker. Brew smooth, flavorful coffee at home with the Ovalware Airtight Cold Brew Iced Coffee Maker. Its durable glass design and airtight seal lock in freshness, while the stainless steel filter ensures a pure taste. Perfect for coffee lovers looking to enjoy a cafe experience at home. Silicone Coasters. Protect your surfaces with the TWTLE silicone coasters for drinks. These non-slip, heat-resistant coasters are perfect for hot or cold beverages. Their flexible design makes them easy to clean, and their modern look adds a stylish touch to any table. Olive Oil Dispenser. Keep your oils fresh with the Dwellza Kitchen. Olive Oil Dispenser Bottle. This leak-proof bottle ensures precise pouring, preventing messes while cooking. Its stylish design looks great on any countertop, and its functionality makes it an everyday essential. And there you have it, 17 incredible kitchen gadgets that everyone is buying on Amazon. Which one is your favorite? Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more amazing finds. Stay tuned for more kitchen upgrades.